Whenever your bananas go ripe and you don't know what to do with them, just follow our recipe of Eggless Banana Cake. Here I have 3 ripe bananas, half cup brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of bicarbonate soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half cup chocolate chips, 1/4 cup hazelnut, and 2 cups of oat flour, and 1 big tablespoon of white sugar. So first I'm going to start with the bananas. I'm going to start mashing them very well until they become very soft. Then I'm going to add the sugar and the maple syrup, the vanilla powder, and the olive oil. And I'm going to keep on mixing them until they become really soft. Mix and mash. Okay, we can tell that right now they are ready. It's soft, and even if we have some pieces of banana, that would be still yummy to have that texture in the cake. Now that this is mixed very well, I'm going to start adding the flour and some of the nuts, the baking powder, salt and bicarbonate, and keep mixing. I'll add the remaining of the flour and the hazelnut. I'll keep mixing it until all the flour is kind of part of the batter. I'll start folding in the chocolate chips. And this is ready to go into the pan. Now I have folded a baking paper in the rectangular pan. I'm gonna put in the banana cake and just make sure it's kind of equal all around. Now I'll sprinkle the top with the white sugar. I'll heat the oven on 180 degrees for 5 minutes, and then I'll put it in for 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes, or until we put a toothpick and then there's nothing liquid on the toothpick. صحتين.